Violet team inspires to win. So watch out, be aware. You must worry cause we are good enough. The Violet team will win this fight. Cause we're smart. Our team is so bright. Kami nandito na. Team gwapo't nga ganda. That's what people say. That's what people say. We'll fight and go to win. We'll enjoy the team building. That's what people say. That's what people say. But we'll keep cheering. So make some noise in this yelling. It's like we're gonna win this. In our minds, say it's gonna be our time. We're the team Violet that will fight. We're the team Violet that will win. We're just gonna shake. So give up now. We're the team Violet that will fight. We're the team Violet that will win. We're just gonna shake. So give up now.